Moving on to D, calcium chloride, rock salt. That's CaCl2 because the 2 positive going to crisscross down over there, and then the halogen is going to be a 1 negative, which we're not going to write ones. So aqueous plus lead-2 nitrate, lead-2 nitrate. We've seen this a few times already. All right, 1 negative, 2 positive. That 2's got to go outside there, which is why I have a parenthesis there. Aqueous. All nitrates are soluble. Let's switch it up. Switch these cations. Right, we'll do the nitrate one first. That's the way we've been doing these. So calcium is now going to be paired up with nitrate. All right, 1 negative, 2 positive. Calcium is in group 2. 2 valence electrons, going to lose them, become 2 positive. So let's put that 2 out there. All nitrates are soluble. Oh man, we're going to run out of room. Wrote too big. All right, and the other one is going to be lead is going to pair up with chloride. So it's going to be, where should I write this? That's lead-2 plus, by the way. So 2 plus. It's going to be like that. And that's going to be our precipitate. Chlorides are generally soluble, but where is that? Lead is an exception, which means it is insoluble when lead chloride is. All right, just imagine that is in that little spot there. Let's balance. So 2 chlorides on the left, 2 on the right. 1 calcium, 1. 2 nitrate. Everything's balanced. Nice. It's about time. Let's rewrite all of this. Let's write the complete ionic equation. So everywhere you see soluble compounds, we're going to dissociate them. All right, so that's with the charges. Okay, so calcium is a 2 positive cation because 2 electrons lost to 2 positive AQ. That subscript we're going to move to the front as a coefficient because otherwise it looks like a diatomic chlorine molecule, and it's not. These are all free ions, freely dissociated ions. So there we go. Lead has a 2 positive charge. It tells you in the problem. AQ. And then there's 2 nitrates, 2 moles of nitrate. Anions, negative, and AQ. Alrighty. All right. Calcium, 2 positive, aqueous. Let's bring that up to the front. It's not the most important thing. You can always rebalance it at the end. These are going to cancel out anyway. But you might get a question. Just write the complete ionic equation. Then you're going to have to do this. All right. And then what was it? Lead. Chloride. Lead-2 chloride. Solid. Yep. Cancel the spectators. Get rid of them. They're not participating. So the net ionic is writing just the participants. That's your chloride, 2 moles of chloride anions in solution reacting with 1 mole of lead-2 ions forming lead-2 chloride. And there's your net ionic equation. And there's your solubility rules.